Hello guys, this is Swarupa, second year BMS student. Let's cover 97 drugs in 97 days. The first drug is Amalaki. Amalaki is also called as Indian gooseberry, which is also called as Avla in Marathi. Charkacharya have included Amalaki in Vayastapangan, Jwar Hargan, Kas Hargan, Virechan Upayog Mahakashay, and Sushruth have included it in Mushikyati, Purushyati, Mustadi, Amalakyati, and Trifala. Its paryaya are Amrita, Dhatri. Tishafala is also known as pure or Pavitra, which retain the paryaya Dhatri means it retain all the rasa and guna. And Jatifal rasa and Vayasta. A Latin name of Amalaki is Emilica officinalis gayatin and also Phyllanthus emilica linen. Family is Euphorbiaceae. It is found everywhere in India. It is in the form of tree. The Swarup I have mentioned here, you can pause and write down. Its school is Erandakul. Now let's see about its pharmacological activity. It has spasmolytic activity. It is mild CNS depressant. It is hypolidemic. It is immunomodulatory. It is hypoglycemic. It is antibacterial, antioxidant, and it is used in hair oil and shampoos. Now let's discuss about it. Rasapanchak. If you can, just do this slok. Amla samadhura tiktam kashaya katuka saram chakshusha sarvadoshagam vrusham amalaki phalam. It is given by Sushrut. Gun is Laghu, Snigdha and Mrudu. Rasa is Amla Pradhan. It has 5 rasas except Lavan ras, but main ras is Amla, Kashay, Madhur, Tikta and Kattu. Its Vipak is Madhur. Its Virya is Sheet. It mainly used in Rasayan, so its Prabhav is Vayastapan. Now its Karma and Amayik Prayog. First, Rosh Karma. It is most important Dravya. It's Tridosh Shamak and Pitta Shamak. Bahya Karma, it is Vrana Shodhak, Vrana Ropak, Kleda Shodhak, Sarrabhanashak. As a Vrana Ropak Dravya, it is used externally by washing the wound by Amalaki Kwat. It is also used in Galashot, Dantaveshtak, Dantaveshtashok, Mukhapak, Netrashul. In Netra Abhishandi, Amalaki Kwat is used for washing our eyes. Its oil is used in Khalitya and Palitya. If the patient is suffering with peptic shirashul, Amalaki oil is used. In condition like Yoni Vyapat, Amalaki Kwat is used. Now let's see about its internal uses. In Annavaha Srotas, it acts as Rechan, Deepan, Pachan, Vata Anuloman, Yakrut Uttejak, Amla Pitta Shamak, Mrudu Virechak, Chhati Prashamarak, Galasarrabhanashak. In Pranavaha Srotas, it conditions like used for Rakta Shodhak, Pranavaha Srotas Daurbalya. It is Rudya, Rakta Sarrabhak, Raktapit Prashamak. It is Kafagna, Pandu Raktapitta, Rud Daurbalya, Kas, Shwas, Rajyashma, Amasai Prashobhak, Hikka, Shwas, and in Mutra Vastrotas, it is Mutral, it is Daha Shamak, it is Basti Shodak, Mutragat Varna Vikruti Nashak, it is Raktagat Sharkara Kshayakar. It is used in Paurusha Granthi Shodh in prostatitis condition. As a Shukra Strotas, it is Vrusha, it is Garbhashay Shotahar. If a person is suffering with Shvetapradar, Spermaturia, Shukrameha and Daha. In Rasava Strotas, it is used as Jwaragna, Amapachak, Dhatu Agnivardhak, Dahatrushna Shamak and in Vishamjwar. In Vyadishamatva Yantrana, it is mainly used as Rasayan. It improves our immunity. It is Pesi Savrakshak, Indriya Shakti Vardhak, Vyadi Pratibandhak, Strotonashak. It is Rudya, Pachak Granthi, Strava Vardhak, Yakrut Uttejak, Vasavrakshan. It is also used as antioxidant. Mainly, its prayojan anga is fal. Now its matra, if it is used in churna, 3 to 6 gram is used. Swaras 10 to 20 ml. In Kwat is also used 10 to 20 ml. Its pramukh kalpa is Dhatri Loha, Chavan Prash, ब्रह्म रसायन, फल त्रिकादिक्वात, सप्तमित लोह, नवयाश्चूर्ण. Now its sutra, if you can just remember it, हरितकी सम धात्री फलः किंतु विशेषतः रक्त पित्त प्रमेहग्नम परवृक्ष रसायनम. It is given by Bhav Prakash. Now its chemical constraint, it galactotannin, which contains astringent property, which has property to bind and precipitate proteins. It is not commonly found in diet. It has antioxidant property. It has tannin, which is phenolic group. It is polyphenolic biomolecule. It helps in dry and tightening of tissues, preparation of minor wounds, burns, and diarrhea. It contains ascorbic acid. Mainly, it is a derivative of vitamin C. It is water-soluble vitamin, vital for human health. Vitamin C has antioxidant property. It helps in collagen synthesis. It helps in wound healing. It helps in iron absorption and also immune system modulator. Now, phylembline protein, it is very important. It is also known as ethyl gallate. It has antimicrobial property. It is anti-inflammatory and anti-cancerous property. It is a peptic agent. Such update has been made in which toxicity is studied in 2015. Anti-inflammatory properties are studied on albino mice. Now second, its immunomodulatory activity is studied in 2013. The study was related to role in arsenic-induced oxidative damage. Third, anti-diabetic activity. It was done in October 2009. It was done on the seeds diabetic activity in strep-induced type 2 diabetes. Now third, hepatoprotective activity was studied against the paracetamol-induced hepatic damage. Anupan for Amalki is Madhu and Grhul. That's all for Amalki today. See you tomorrow with another drug. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe.